There we go. Right on the bank, just like I said. Oh, he popped off. Dang it. What you got? He got a little white bass. I think I got a bigger white bass. Woohoo! Teletubby. Got him. I wish I could release you better, but I can't because I don't trust these grounds. What's going on, you guys? We are back out in the creeks. They are stacked, loaded. White bass, hybrids, everything. Saugers, walleyes. I haven't caught a walleye yet, but that's what I'm focusing on right now is saugers and walleyes. What I'm throwing right now is my Hank Parker design Abu Garcia rod, 7 foot. I got a 1/4 ounce jig head with a fluke from Amazon. Ross bought it from Amazon, and my reel of choice is the XL Daiwa XL. I think, yeah, 2500. I like light stuff, you know what I mean? The line is 6-pound vicious, and I'm just dragging bottom slowly, painfully, just dragging bottom. And as soon as they see it, kapow! You already know. If you guys like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification button for new videos that comes out. I got fish to catch. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and see if he is of the right caliber. Calibre. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, can you guys see that? 14 1/8. Easy money. Easy. Oh, one more thing. If you guys think I'm crazy enough to not bring these guys out, you got something else coming. I might just make a couple casts with these right now. I haven't fished the plastic in a minute, but yeah, let's make a cast. All right. Oh man, that was a horrible cast. We are throwing flies now. I'm gonna start bringing 2 rods with me every time. Whether it's gonna be one of these rods, always, but it might be a catfish rod too. Just let it sit there, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, already. Jeez. These guys are not playing today. If I've never told you guys I love fishing, I love fishing. I'm gonna tell you guys now. And every other day I come out. Every day of life. That's a decent one right there. I knew I felt something. I wasn't for sure. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Oh yeah, on the fly. We ain't even gotta measure this guy. On the fly. On the fly. Oh yeah, he a tank. Not a tank, but a tank. He a tank. Tanker. Look at that, on the red and chartreuse. Woo. These are deadly in the wintertime. Deadly. I got 2 of them tied on. Woohoo! Thing of beaut right there. And we keeping the day. Yeah, let's get some more. You notice, oh, all the white bass is gone. If this is a sauger, it's a good one. I might have a double. Oh, one came off. No, no, no. White bass. No, 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 no. Dang it. Oh, got me y'all in that. But since I already caught you, I might as well show you off. White bass. Beautiful, beautiful white bass. Oh, golly. He was on it as it dropped. No, don't go over there. Don't go over there. Don't go over there. Come over here. Oh, another white bass. Mm-hmm. Golly, this is a heavy one. I know you ain't no sauger. Double up? Nope. Oh, calm it down. Oh, he broke my other fly off. You dirty dog. That's okay. I only need one to catch fish. I think I had 2 fish on, bro. And the other one broke my fly off. Because it felt a lot heavier than that. Ooh, flies is killing it. Let it be a tank sauger or walleye. I think so. I feel all them head shakes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nope, he's not a tank. But he was fighting really good though. Yeah. That's a beauty. Look how they just flared out. That gill plates. Thank you for playing, Bubba. I think he could have made it. I don't know why I didn't measure him.
That could be another sandwich.
Man. Oh, I missed 2 already. Oh, I didn't miss that one. Oh, no, 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 where you going? Come back up, come back up.
Yeah, I'm going back in the
Oh no, he got me in that log. Come on. He got me in that log. Oh, get out. Get out of there. Yep, yeah. Good boy. You can't go in there. No, no. Why are you doing me like this? Get out of there. There we go. Dang, that's a tank white bass. Damn, that's a tank. If only Nick was here, he'll be proud. All right. Now that guy right there is worthy of showing off. So we're gonna whip out the big camera, meaning my phone. That's a tanky. That's a tank white bass. They love flies too. Boy, do they love the flies. Because the flies, if you guys remember from the other video, flies are made for these guys, saugers and walleyes. One more look. That's a tank. That's a good one. At least 2 pounds. Maybe 1.5. Whatever. Oh, Teletubby looking. Feels like a good one. No, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. One of them toothy critters. I don't think we're gonna have to measure this one, but we're gonna measure them anyways. Just for safekeepings. 14 1/8. I'm gonna start having to keep my stringers in my bag, bro. Oh, this one's heavy. 25-inch walleye. Maybe. A man can dream. Oh, it's another big sauger. All in front of Rosky Posky. You're a little skinny though, man. Oh, he got a chunk taken out of him. I mean a chunk. I don't know what tried to eat you, but it tried to eat you. Dang, both sides. It looked like a snapping turtle, bro. Here goes another one. Beautiful one. But it looked like a snapper tried to get a hold of him. Look at that. Woo. It comes all the way around to here. Man, he was almost turtle food. Woo. Bit that fly. He fell victim to the fly. Let's go get another one. Yeah, they're coming from out there, bro. The good ones. Double at the same. Oh my God! Oh. What the heck?
We went from 2 to 0. Really?
That was not cool.
No, not at all.
The first part, yes.
The hook set part?
Yeah.
Losing the fish part? See my buddy take a picture of me with my stomach?
Yeah. This has got to be a good sauger. I wouldn't mind if it was a walleye. Oh yeah. No, he's not a keeper. He's not keeper material. He might be. He might be. We're gonna put him on a measuring board. Let's go. Oh yeah. 14.5. You guys see that? 14.5. And I was gonna throw you back, bud. All right, you guys, I just caught a nice one on the black and chartreuse. See? I tied 2 this time, but this time I put 10-pound leader because I don't want to keep losing my flies. They're precious to me. I don't know where you went, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, already. Yep, it's one of them guys. It's heavy too. It's starting to lighten up. I hate when they do that. No, don't go over there. Come back. Is it a toothy? No. Nope. It's a white bass. Nice little chunk. Yeah. We're not looking for you though. That's a little guy. On the black again. Oh, I think the black might be a good color too, because it looked like a leech. That's 4 in a row. That's a good one if it's a sauger. Nah, he's running way too wild. Or, I don't know. Nope, it's a white bass. Get out of there. That's a good one too. That's a good one. On the black again. The black is on fire. They're not even hitting the orange. Damn, this guy's fat. Look at that. Little fat guy. Heck yeah. On the black. There we go. Start another streak. Ooh, that's heavy. This guy's heavy. White bass. Ooh, hybrid. On the black again. All right, we've been killing them on the black. I mean, 4 of them back to back. Not just saugers, but white bass and hybrid, as you just seen. But if you guys want to start buying these flies off of me, I will. The store should be open sometime this weekend. By this weekend, so today is Friday, right? Today is Friday. By the time you guys see this video, that store should be up and running soon. I mean, should be up and running already. So you guys can get it from there. Or if you guys see me on the water, I'll probably keep a couple packs on me. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. 1 ounce pencil sinker and 2 flies. Orange and red on the back end, and black and green up towards the other end. Up towards the other end. You guys know what I mean. Let's get some more fish. Well guys, we came to the end of the day. I did not get my limit, but we've caught quite a bit of fish. Quite a bit. Hybrids, white bass, striper, true striper at that, saugers, no walleyes. But it's okay, because today is today. We still have tomorrow and Sunday when it snows. I love fishing in the snow. But anyways, I'm riding with Ross. We're about to head out. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys would do me a favor, leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification button for new videos that comes out. Until next time, tight lines. I love you guys. I thank you guys for the love and support. Peace. I'm out.